upon a time, in a vast and vibrant sky, a bird dreamed big. Her name was Joy, and the skies beckoned her with infinite promise. Joy often gazed into the bright firmament, her heart full of wonder and yearning, her wings fluttered with anticipation of adventures untold. Yet, doubt clouded her heart like shadows against a setting sun. Could she truly trust her wings to take her to new heights? With a friend's gentle whisper of encouragement, Joy's heart fluttered like eager wings. The words washed over her, igniting a spark of confidence. With newfound courage, Joy spread her colorful wings wide open. She let the wind kiss them, ready to rise above the treetops. Her heart raced like a river's rapids as she leaped into the air. Joy's wings felt the embrace of the sky, soaring upward boldly. As she flew higher, Joy's doubts melted away like morning mist. Every moment aloft filled her with exuberance and boundless belief. The sky felt like a symphony of endless possibilities, and Joy was the conductor. Each beat of her wings resonated with triumph and joy. The world below seemed small, but Joy's dreams felt infinitely large and real. Faith in herself became her newfound gravity, guiding her path. Joy's heart sang with the courage to explore her limitless skies. Her story reminds us all that believing in yourself brings endless possibilities.